Nowadays, finding the perfect balance between sustainability and efficiency is key. The low-impact system is a process designed to create a more respectful, efficient and safe working environment for the body shop. The main goal of the low-impact system is to bring environmental responsibility to every finish. It's not just a technical process, it is a statement of intent. The smart solution for body shops seeking maximum quality and the highest sustainability. Reduces VEC emissions into the atmosphere, generating a lower environmental impact. Protection for the professional, less direct exposure to solvents. Minimises waste generation, such as paint or solvent residue. The low-impact system is based on the use of low VOC products and Waterborne technology. All this without sacrificing quality, premium finishes with a sustainable conscience. HSPF primer, great filling power and easy sanding. Maximum performance for minimum environmental impact. The low-impact system is built around SINNEK's W6000 series Waterborne system. It provides high coverage, excellent colour matching and minimal flash-off times. Cutting-edge technology for lower energy consumption. For interiors, replacement parts or non-visible areas, this system integrates the WA6075 underhood resin. Reproduces the original factory finish in a single step. Fewer processes, more sustainable and with less product consumption. The CC1700 Clear Coat is the perfect ally for low environmental impact repairs. Low VOC formulation that ensures great gloss, resistance and durability. Professional results with a minimal environmental footprint. Add efficiency, subtract impact. Low impact system, sustainability and environmental responsibility in every finish.